Ngatho cia mwanya na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega no ringi Pastor Ben Muthe Kiengei ni akorwo agitugwo na njira nene kanitha-ini wake mweru wa JCM. Muthe Kiengei pastor na riu Reverend Ben ni atugwo na njira nene ni a new member a kanitha wake mweru wa JCM. Kiho kiria akorwo akinengererio giatiga andu aingi matamitie tunua guku gwa social media. Muthuri na mutumia wake aria riu ni a member kanitha wa JCM urambiriirio ni Muthe Kiengei ni makorwo makiyumiria na kiheo kia mwanya muno kiria makorwo makinengereria Reverend wao ugwitwo Muthe Kiengei na ni kiheo muthemba wa ngari. Kapu eno makorwo makiyumiria kanitha-ini wa JCM riria magongona ma Easter maguthiaga na mbere na makorwo makiyumiria mari na kiheo kia ngari kiria makorwo makinengereria Reverend Ben, na kuringana na kapu eno makorwo magituga Reverend wao na ngari ino muthemba wa Nissan Serena ni undu wa magongona maria agikoretwo akirutira gutabania. Just last week mumemerekia muthoni wa kirumba ni arakorirwo agituga Kiengei na microphone ya kinya ciringi 200,000. Koguo Reverend Ben ni akorwo agitugwo oro ringi na ngari muthemba wa Nissan Serena ya rangi wa white iria akorwo agitugwo ni akapo ya kanitha wake kana aria riu ni member a kanitha wake mweru. Iheo ici Reverend Ben aramukira thutha wa kuhingura kanitha wake ni iratuma mbari ya social media ikorwo igiatukana na miario miingi muno. Kim Julius arauga ati kanitha is just any other business. Akauga ati Kiengei is milking them dry. This is a way of hoodwinking other people to bring money so that they can be blessed. Ben is the one who receives it and can use it in whichever way he wants. Another fan akorwo comment on this situation akorwo agetwo Millie Ann akiuga, I don't have details about this but it reminded me of the story in the Bible when Mary Magdalene cleaned Jesus' feet and applied the expensive oil. There were people left murmuring that the money would have been used to help the poor. People will always judge who is supposed to gift the church. Na tiga kiuria hau moisho ndire na ndeto makeria. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hindi ciothe twaikia video igagukinyira. Thank you for watching. Tucemanie na wa next one.